Hey everybody, it's the Untrained Nail Enthusiast. I'm finally doing a proper intro since I've been slacking. Today is an unboxing video, something I don't really do, but why not? So I have not one, but two packages. Amazon, believe it was $14.99 for this item that I purchased. You know, sometimes I get on Amazon and like, what new item can I try out to add to my already cluttered collection? So I'm gonna open it up. Y'all, this big old box. This big old box for this tiny behind acrylic system. I just purchased the oh, look, I got distracted. Oh, I got a free gift. Oh, it comes with a face mask. Oh, what is this that's free? I haven't even opened the second box yet. Oh, they gave me another dapping dish. Oh my gosh. Yes. I will have 100 dapping dishes. No, but it's 1, 2, and let me open my other one. Sorry for the shaking. I got my cord hooked up and I keep knocking into it. Come on. Come on, X-Acto knife. Alrighty. Alright, get rid of this box, even though they come in handy when it's around Christmas time. But, or just a gift giving. But since I don't do too much gift giving, because people receive text messages from me. Hey, I was talking about I need some face masks. Yes. And filtered too. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sit those off to the side. And of course, another dapping dish. Told you. I'll be the dapping dish queen. Haha. Oh my gosh, I can't even get this one open. Come on. Alright. Yes. Y'all don't know how excited I am because I was talking about how I need some more. But I don't. I just do. Alright. Y'all, this bubble wrap out of here. Alright, let's see. Of course, they're both MMA free. 4 ounces. Oh, I just need to show one of them. Karlash, New York. I'm guessing I'm saying that right. This is my first time hearing about this brand. Oh, it's made in the USA. It's made here. Look at there. So I got the natural pink and the crystal clear. And y'all, I smell my monomer. Because, I want to see how strong it is. It's not that bad. It's actually quite pleasant. Alright, let me stop huffing that before this video not get uploaded and I be passed out in the floor. Oh, okay, hold on. I like smelling acrylic powder too. I don't get real close though. It smells fruity. Yeah, these are cool. Let me try them out while I'm doing this. Do I have a brush that doesn't have crap stuck to it? Because I do need to clean some of my brushes. All right, let me take my new dapping dish. I'm excited. I'm going to pour a little bit out. Just a little bit. Just a touch of love. A little bit. All right. I need a tip of some sort. Here's one. So, this is more like this is changed into a box opening to a product review. All right. Let's see. Get that nice and wet. And I'm going to go into this natural pink. Picks up nice. Oh. Y'all. When I don't talk. Oh. It doesn't really move, y'all. Oh my goodness. It feels like it has the same consistency as Nail Couture, but that laid out really nicely. Wow. But this pink is real transparent. Well, it's a natural pink, so I don't know. It looks kind of white. Well, not white, clear. Maybe once it dries up, something else will happen to it. Maybe get another tip. Let's see what happens when I drain the bead out some. But other than that, that laid really nicely. Let's drain some out and see what happens. But look how it just sits there. Look at that. And it slowly, it's so easy to mold. Wow, I am speechless, y'all. I'm gonna put some on the tip. Oh my goodness. And it self-levels too. Oh, that is freaking amazing. Okay, let me try the clear. All right, let me do this one. It's a pretty nice size bead. Look, as it slowly goes down the nail. Oh, and you can just easily caress it down. Oh, my goodness. Yes, y'all. Oh, I need to find some colors. A little bit, this goes a long way. Wow. Let me do another one. And another one. Let me see if I can do a really big bead. I suck at that type of stuff, but whatever. Oh, y'all see how that just sits there? Until you're ready to play with it. Got my brush a little wetter. But, oh. Yo, if I get to 300, well, I don't want to say if, when. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I'm just thankful for the subscribers that I do have. And hopefully this is still on Amazon because I want to do a giveaway of this. Especially if you're just starting out. This stuff right here. Yes, mama. Yo, look at that. And it's self-levels. God dang it. Oh, my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just like really excited for this product because I wasn't sure what was going to happen. But this is freaking amazing. I wish the pink, I do wish the pink was a little bit, had a little bit more pigmentation to it. But, you know, you can always go through and add a little bit of pink to it. Just a little. But other than that, this is so great. It's self-leveling. It doesn't move. At least it doesn't glide down the nail like a lot of acrylic powders. Like, let me see something. I'm taking this one, the Lee's, and try to get as much as I did. Yeah, see, this one just kind of, well, that could be just, okay. Okay, I'm going to need for you not to roll off to the sides. I'm still trying to get used to this one, y'all. This done turned into something else. A box unboxing, product review, and comparison. But anyways, these acrylic powder ain't got nothing to do with what's going on right here. I just had to do that for myself. But this right here, when I get 300 subscribers, I want to give this away. 4 ounces of monomer, MMA free, and 2 ounces of acrylic powder. I think I'm going to give away the crystal clear. That's what I want to do. I think they have primer and they should have primer and dehydrator. I don't plan on purchasing that for myself because I really like my Young Nails Protein Bond. Amazing. But anyways, this is great, but I probably should try I have so many dehydrators and primers around here that I'm just like, look, something got to give. I don't mind the powders and the monomer, but when it comes to dehydrators and what's that other word I use? Y'all, I'm having a brain fart. And primer, it's just that I don't do my nails that much, and you know, I don't have a lot of people coming over me practicing on them, and then I'm using a practice hand so they don't get used. And I don't want that to accumulate. But powders and monomer, yes. I'm all about that. And top coats. But I guess this is the end. I will put the link down in the description if you are interested in purchasing. Y'all, I can't talk. Let me tell you, I got off of work. Like, what time is it? Like 2 hours ago. And I talked to a lot of people. So I'm just tongue tied, my mouth tired, my jaw wants to lock up because it's tired of talking. It just wants to run away and go lay on a pillow. So, see, once again, brain fart. If you're interested in purchasing this, I will put the link down below. It's less than $20. I'm telling you, it's less than $20. But when I get to 300 subscribers, I definitely want to give this away, and hopefully it's still in stock. If it's not, then I would change it to something else, and hopefully Amazon will add another acrylic system, and then it's something else I can try. So I just want to thank you guys for watching and subscribing and listening to me forget what I'm sorry about the camera shaking. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, it's time for me to get off, go get in the bed and rest my soul and my nerves and my feet. And I want you guys to have a great whatever part of the day you're watching. And well, thanks for watching. Deuces.